Okay, so hey once again and welcome back to the channel. Just in case you guys are new here, my name is Kelechi mgbemena. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, and in case you're a returning subscriber, hi girl, hi guy, welcome back. Now you guys already know the gist, you already know the drill, you already know how we do it on here. On this channel, we like to share tips and tricks related to, filming content, the production aspect of it, as well as the business strategy aspect of YouTube content creation. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very simple, quick, yet affordable tip, as well as trick on how you can spice up your filming environment, your filming room, your background, or even you as a subject, if that's something you might be interested in. And we're going to dive right into that. But before we dive right into it, in case you're new here, hi, definitely feel free to subscribe, join the family, and let's create amazing content. Now, you guys already know that I love creating production-related content relating to filming setup, relating to backgrounds, relating to camera settings, lighting. You guys already know the gist. Now, in case you guys are starting off with YouTube content creation, I have an amazing playlist for you, taking you guys from step-by-step process on how you can set up your camera, how you can set up your lighting, the best lighting to use. I have you covered. I have everything covered. I'll leave the playlist over here so you can definitely check that out. Join the family, watch that, learn that, thank me later. Come on back here and thank me. Now, in this video, we are focusing on how to spice up your background. And if there's anything you know about me, and you already know that, is that I love spicing up my background. I love changing things out. I love trying new things, whether it's from Christmas lights, LED lights, string lights, backgrounds, fabrics, moving things around, recreating other YouTubers' setup and background. I'll leave that over here as well, where I created a number of, top YouTubers setup over here, so you guys can kind of get inspired by that as well. Before I start, you guys already know that I'm all about affordability when it comes to, filming and starting up, as well as setting up your YouTube content room, which is why I like to provide you with, affordable alternatives and affordable DIY creative, insights to how you can maximize your space to get the best out of it. So this video it's not going to be different from the usual one, because in this one, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can easily transform your visuals, your background from, looking something like this into something like this. To get started with this, we're going to be needing some color gel, right? These are what they call color gels, and these are amazing if you are in the production life. They're also very inexpensive. Now, I got each of this for 1,000 naira, which is equivalent to $2, guys. So if you are someone who is looking for affordable alternatives, affordable, things and ways to spice up your, creative set, this could be something. Now, I got this in 3 colors, just so I can show you guys what they all look like. I got this in red, I got this in purple, as well as in blue, and I'm going to be showing you what they look like when I put this on. You can get this on Amazon as well. I would leave the links down below so you guys can, check them out, as well as try them out at the same time. Now, in order to make this work, you are going to be needing an extra external light. This would be like an LED light, a ring light, whatever external lighting source or system you're using that would be beneficial for you. Now, personally for me, I love to use at least two lights in front of me, one key and one fill, to kind of illuminate me as a subject, and I like to use one in the background depending on the vibe that I'm going for. I kind of sometimes like to keep it moody, but for this video right now, I'm filming with just 2 lights, and I do have my window right in front of me open, so that way I can get a little bit of natural light, as well as my window open over here, in case you guys want to see what my filming setup looks like, as well as my lighting setup looks like. I'll have it over here so you can see what I'm currently working with, so that way you can visualize what we have going on, right? So I have these right now, and I also have my LED lights behind me. So what I'm going to do now is to simply just pop this on, and it makes a world of difference. Now, these are what the LED sheets looks like. These are what the color gels looks like. This one is in blue, right? This one is in red, right? And this one over here is in purple. I'm a pink girl. I couldn't get a pink color gel, but we're going to be working with this regardless. Now you can use this, you can put this over your key light if you want to create like a blue hue or a purple hue. I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. Okay guys, so for this, I'm going to be working with 2 LED lights just so I can get the maximum effect. Now I'm going to be positioning this kind of facing my background, and I'm going to turn off all the lights so we can see what that looks like. So I'm going to quickly just hang this over my light. It's as easy as this right here. Guys, you already know that I like to do it the DIY style, so that way we're not kind of eating through the budget. Okay, so I currently have this gel propped up over my LED light, and this is what it's looking like. I have another LED light behind me. I don't know if you guys can see this, but my background kind of has like a purplish, bluish tint to it. And if I put my hand behind, you guys can see that also showing through. Now the problem with this is that I have a lot of lights going on, and I also have like my natural lights open as well, so that way you guys are not getting this vibe. So what I'm going to do right now is to kind of close off or blind off my lights that's coming through, my natural light that's coming through, and then show you guys what it looks like when I'm just working with my studio light. So that way you kind of, with studio light, it's so easy to kind of manipulate it to get exactly what you want. And that's what I like about it, is that you can kind of create and fix your lighting system and it wouldn't change, as opposed to like your natural light. Okay, so this is what we currently have. This is what we're working with right now. This is what the lights, this is what the color gels are giving. And as you guys can see, we have like this purple hue going on. Now I can make this a little bit more pigmented by moving it forward to the wall, because it's quite a distance away from the wall, but I'm going to be leaving this like, just because I like how spread out it is and even it is. But just to show you guys the color difference, I'm going to lift this color gel out of my LED light so you guys can see without the color gel, right? That's how bright my LED light is, and with the color gel. So the color gel also acts as some sort of like a diffuser, but also adds a hue to the environment. And this is what we are giving. This is what it's looking like. Another alternative for this is to use an RGB light. However, those can be a little bit pricey if you already have like lighting situation going on. You have like your complete studio lights going on. Those can be a little bit pricey. This is another alternative. It's quite inexpensive. It's affordable. It's beginner friendly, and it's easy to kind of work around with. But yeah, this is what we have going on, and I'm loving it. I feel like we could create looks with this. I could definitely put this over a background, a backdrop, a fabric, and add, you know, color to it at the same time. I mean, the possibilities with this are kind of endless. If you guys would like to see, you know, things that I could do with this, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be thrilled to do that. But then you guys can see, like, the closer it is to the wall, the more vibrant it is, the more colorful it looks, and the more bright basically it looks. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You could definitely use this as your backlight. Let me just move this around so that it faces me, and it would give you that purple hue on your body. But I don't do this because honestly I do most like beauty content and all of that. So this would be good if you're doing like a sit down talk tutorial, inspirational kind of talk. It would kind of add depth to you, as well as color to you, as well as vibe at the same time. Now this is what I'm loving. I love just expressing my creativity using things that are around me, and as well as things that are affordable at the same time. But yeah, let me know what do you guys think about this. Did you like this right here? I feel like I can create another mood, maybe dim my light a little bit more. If you guys would also like to see what an RGB light would look like, and how to like play around with it to create your own set or your own setup, let me know down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to try that one out as well. But yeah, this is what it's giving. This is what it's looking like. Definitely not mad at it. I love it. So I just went ahead to turn on my lights, my signage, my LED light behind me. And yeah, this is what it's giving so far. Again, with these color gels, like I said, they are pretty inexpensive. You can change them out. You can try out a different color. Let me try out this red to see what it's going to look like. Wow, this is blinding. Oh, I feel like this red is even brighter compared to the purple. This red is definitely brighter because the purple made it look really dark. Yeah, the red is definitely brighter. Let me turn this around to face the back. Yeah, the red is definitely brighter, so it gives a more brighter look because this was kind of dimming down the light, right? This was dimming down the light because it's really dark and it's purple. But yeah, this is what the red is looking like. I have red and purple. They are far away from the wall, so you guys can't see how really vibrant it is, except I move it forward. But this is what you're getting with this. Let me take this out so you can see the color difference and what we are working with. And the good thing about this shred is that you can actually tweak this kind of look like pink, which is why I kind of got it. Let me try the blue to see. I feel like this would definitely be better than the purple because again, it is lighter than the purple. And it will give off more, yeah, definitely. So let me show you guys the color difference, right? This is the blue and this is the purple. So the purple, like I previously said, was darker than the blue and the red. So this one is going to look brighter and more vibrant. So let me put this over here. Right here. Right? Oh, love it. Put this over here. Let me change this from purple to blue as well. There we go. I'm not sure if there was like much of a difference in terms of like the color, but there definitely is a difference with what we're getting right now. And let me move this like facing me as a backlight. As a backlight, this is what it's going to look like. Right. Yeah, so I'm not mad at this. I can definitely move this a little bit forward. I have this in an angle and it's hitting from down to up, so that way it's not directly facing the wall, it's just like bouncing off the wall. Let me tilt this down a bit. This is what we are getting with this right now, and I love it. Definitely love it. If I wanted to create like a more intimate mood, I could definitely turn off one of my lights to get like more intimate. Let me do that right now. So yeah, this is what it looks like with just one key light, filming with this, coming close to you guys, and this is what we are getting. Again, this light is like on the lowest setting, so that way the one behind me can shine brighter and more vibrant than it is right now. But yeah, this is what we are getting and this is what it's giving so far. Could get used to this. All right, guys, so now we've come to an end of this video. I hope this was insightful. I hope this was amazing for you. If you're someone who has, you know, started off creating content, you're someone who also wants to explore the budget side of set design, as well as creating a background for your own YouTube channel or whatever creative space you're currently trying to, you know, work with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you are new here, consider subscribing, because on here we kind of share a lot of tips, tricks, tutorials on how to level up your content, how to, you know, use what you have and then make it work irrespective of whatever budget you are currently working with. I like to experiment with, you know, what I have and, you know, turn it to the flip side of the creative life, right? So yeah, definitely see you guys in one of my other videos. Again, if you are yet to watch my other videos relating to content production, relating to set design, relating to what my background, my setup, my studio looks like, I'll have everything linked over here so you guys can check that out. I'll also leave them over here. I will leave my entire playlist here so you guys can kind of get acquainted, get started, and get situated on here. Also, feel free to subscribe. It is totally free, fun, amazing, and yeah, I'll see you guys in one of these videos. Again, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys on here.